Hello there. Hope you guys had a great summer. Kind of still in my little cube at home, which is fine. Uh, Thought as we started the school year, wanted to point out a couple things for you. We're going to give you different links for Canvas, Seesaw, and Google Classroom. And each of these will be basics on how to start them. I know a lot of you know how to do this, but we do have some new teachers that might not know how to use them. And so I wanted to do a video of Google Classroom for you. So you will have all three on the channel. So let me go ahead and present here, and I'll show you just the bare minimums of what Google Classroom looks like. All right, so this is what you are going to do, is you are going to go ahead and open your drive. So you'll see your drive here. Here's my drive, bunch of crazy stuff in it. But more importantly, you go over to your waffle, which is right here. Click on your waffle, and you will scroll down, and you will see the app that says Classroom. Click on that. Okay. Now you are going to see a dashboard, and I'm going to already have some classes that I have done, that I have started. I have some kids that are in right now. I have my outdoor education class. I can do either a few things. I can archive these, which is fine, from old classes. Some of you are starting brand new. All right. So if I wanted to start a brand new class, you will press the X, and I'm going to create a class. You'll click on that. You'll give your class name. All right. You will then put a you can put a section. What I do is, if I'm teaching outdoor education, if I do outdoor education, the next section would be section 1 or semester 1, 2021, 22. Or semester 1, 2020. I have semester 2 already, but I did semester 1, 1920 or 2019. Subject you can have, and then room is up to you. So then you're going to press create on that one. So what I did was, let's just go ahead and take a look at a class that I've already created. So I've created the class. We open it up. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have a class code. All you need to do with this class code is give it to your kids on the first day or whatever. They enter the code. It will automatically enter. You'll automatically enter your class. You do not have to physically enter them into the class. Once they have entered, there's different options that you can have. It is nice because once you have a class started, you do generate a Google Meet link. And you can click on that, and then it gives you the link. And you just press got it. It'll generate. You click on generate the link. You can make it visible to the kids, or you don't have to. I usually do. But that's actually a new option they came up with since we've been virtual learning. You have a stream. The stream works just like what a feed would be on a Twitter account or a feed on Facebook. You can type in, anything you want, let your kids know, and they see it right off the bat. That stream will also show up if you put new classwork in. Classwork, if you want to add an assignment, you can create an assignment by simply pressing create. And then you have the choice of assignment, quiz, question, material. You can reuse a post. Like I said, this is just basic on how to start. The more and more you get into it, the deeper you can get with it. You can add topics. We put topics. Mr. Jones and I teach outdoor education together. You can see the topics that we create. You can put those assignments in the topics you would like. You can have a due date with that assignment. So I want to create an assignment. For outdoor education, you can add a due date. You can add your topic if you have a topic. You can see all those topics there. You can make it whatever worth. You can add students. You can do all students. You can do individual students. You can add a documents. So out of your drive, you can create a document right below it. You can add a rubric. I mean, there's all kinds of different things that you can do. You can assign it, or you can also schedule it. So you can see where it's scheduled. I don't have a title for it, so it won't tell me a schedule, but you can save it, or you can discard a draft. So you got all kinds of options when it comes to your assignments. The nice thing is, if you have multiple classes and you want to use Google Classroom, you can assign that same assignment to your multiple classes. Okay. People, you can see who's all in your class. You can manually invite them. You can invite the guardians. If you have somebody that just moves in and you just manually, they don't have their computer or something, or they don't have their iPad yet, you can manually invite them, or you can, and then all they have to do is accept. And just to do that is you just click on the person, you invite the student, and it will come up to invite, type in the email, their name, boom, it sends the invite. You can click on the grades, and there's actual grade book with things. And the difference between this and Canvas is that you can't directly export them from your gradebook and classroom into Canvas. There is a way to do that, and we do have a video on how to do that set up in our YouTube channel. So there's all kinds of, like I said, there's all kinds of different things you can do with it. There's your details to your class. There's your class code. You can have kids be able to post in the stream or not. That's up to you. You can have notifications. I mean, there's all kinds of different things that you can do with this. It is, in terms, another way of keeping track of your grades, way to communicate with your kids. Is it a true LMS, a learning management system? It's pretty simple. Is it as complex as Canvas? It is not. It doesn't go as in depth, but we have several teachers in the corporation being used. I use it. It's just kind of up to you. But this has just been kind of an idea of what Google Classroom looks like. You have a choice. We have Seesaw, we have Canvas, and we have Google Classroom. This is just briefly a tutorial on how to just kind of start your Google Classroom. Thank you, and I hope that you have a great day and the rest of your summer break.